out like 2 months ago or something like that. So we're gonna try to find a game. So I'm just gonna try to find the game right now. I'll try to be adding some sound effects into there. So let's try to find what's it called? Okay, we found the server. Someone already started the game? Okay. Okay, how many people are in this game? 3 people, and I'm the crewmate. Okay. I know who it is, it's white. OMG! What is this? I'm just trying to do my task, like... What is this? OMG, what's that? What was that? What was that? Okay. Why are all these full? It's full. Let's go imposter first round. We're just gonna ask. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello there.
Okay. Let's sabotage. Let's go reactor. Call him. Let's go.
Playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
Yo. No, I'm not gonna be sus. I'm gonna lie. It was in storage, but I was an electrical. Why did they give us some? So they gave us some storage, but okay. Someone skipped. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. No one was ejected. Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Okay. Lights, lights, lights. OMG. Dead body already. I think that was my teammate who killed him. There's another body in. Why do we have so much? Okay, 15 seconds. That's it. I'm skipping. Skip. Boys. Okay, we skipped. White. Why did you vote white? Oh gee. Okay. GG's.
Hey, GG's, bro.
Next
Good
game.
fight, man. I really like having a balanced fight. GG.
Okay. Dog thing. didn't vote for you. It was me. Alright. Okay. Okay. Let's try to add some sound effects in here. Like, I don't know what kind of sound effects, but like some funny ones. Check. So I have one in mid-base. It's probably the mid-base scan. Is it? Yeah, it's the mid-base scan. Let's scan up.
You playing Minecraft. I like to cut you.
Are you serious? Let's add some sound effects in here. Let's do some fun.
Hey, GG's, bro.
Okay.
Good fight, man. I really like having a balanced fight. GG.
Okay. Let's try to join one. I almost said join. So the new Fortnite season comes out in like 4 days. The day I'm recording this right now, it's in like 4 days, so that means it's 27th today. Why are all these full? Are you serious? Why are all of these full? Oh, I'm gonna have to go with my brother. My brother, but I don't have any siblings. Banana. It's spelled banana wrong. Not Mr. Beast. What? Dumpling? Yeah, we joined the space VIDS. Let's see if he subs. My YT. Alright. Sub to squirrely vids. Nice. Okay. Alright, guys. Come on, start it! I'm gonna spam start. Supposed to be a balloon. is. What this thing on your head is. Like, whatever that is. Put on these for now. Start. Literally just start. I'm leaving. There's 2 dumplings. 1, 2. What the? Leave the game. Destroy another one with 1 imposter. There's literally only this much of nachos. Oh. That made me hungry. Okay, we're in. Okay. Are you? I'm back right now. Vote blue, boys. He's acting kind of sus. Vote blue. 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 Big brains and big brain. I mean, I meant to say big game. Epic games and big brain plays. Come on. Come on. I swear if it's not him. Are you serious, bro? We just... Wait, there's 3 imposters? Wait, what? Wait. I swear, enter name is something. No, I don't have a react. Oxygen. Go to oxygen, please. Got it.
Hey, GG's, bro. Good fight, man. I really like having a balanced fight. GG.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to be ending this video right here. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. And I will see you guys all in the next one. See you guys. And make sure to subscribe and like the video if you want to see more Among Us videos, and I will see you all in the next one. See you guys. Bye.